Hello, today we are going to make a French seam. A French seam is a self-knitted seam. So we mark the wrong side of the garment. Then we take the seam allowance, we make the seam allowance, which should be 5/8 of an inch. So 5/8 of an inch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5/8 of an inch. So you mark the seam allowance. Five-eighths of an inch. So that's 5/8 of an inch. Then these are the wrong sides. So what we do when we're making a French seam is we put the wrong sides together. You start from the wrong side. So the wrong side together, you stitch 3/8 of an inch. So 3, you count 1, 2, 3, 3/8 of an inch. Measure 3/8 of an inch. Measure 3/8 of an inch. So you're on the right side. You measure your 3/8 of an inch and then you stitch. The thread has come out. There we are. We stitch the 3/8 of an inch. So after stitching the 3/8 of an inch, 3/8 of an inch. So now you measure 1/4 of an inch, so that 1/4 of an inch. So remember this was 3/8. So if it's 2/8, that's a quarter. So you see, you have to measure 2/8 from the edge. It should be quite close. 1, 2. Remember it was 3/8. 1, 2, 3. So you're cutting 3/8 of an inch, 2/8 or a quarter of an inch. Cutting a quarter of an inch. Quarter of an inch. You cut off that quarter of an inch on both sides. There you go, you're through with your quarter of an inch. Then you turn to the right side of the fabric, and it's always good to keep on ironing. It's always good to keep on ironing as you make. Keep on ironing. So you turn to the wrong side. Remember, this is the wrong side. And you remember our seam allowance, where our seam was. So you use a pin. You see where you are. You can pin, you can tack before you stitch. So you see, we are now going to sew. Make sure you open it up. On the wrong side, then you stitch. Then you now stitch on the stitching line. You make sure you stitch along the stitching line. So if you want to be sure, you can tack, you can pin. So this is our French seam. This is the wrong side. Now you can turn to the right side and your iron, and your French seam is ready. When you're ironing on the fabric, you iron towards the center of the fabric. So let's say the center was on the right, you iron towards the right, like this. When you're ironing, you iron towards the center of the fabric. And I've used black so that the skill can be seen, so that we can understand the skill of making a French seam. But in the real sewing, use the right color of thread with the color of the fabric. Like we could have used orange for this one, but I've used black so that we learn the skill of making a French seam. Thank you for watching up to the end. I wish you well in making your French seams. It's good for fabrics which are very light, sheer fabrics, or medium weight fabrics, because for thick fabrics this is not the best. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment. Your comments are really important for me. Bye bye. See you in the next video.